Salon quality. Il Salone Milano premium haircare products are made in Italy and trusted by hair professionals for over 30 years. Now you can have professional salon results at home. Conditioner for damaged and weakened hair. The professional hair product reconstructs, repairs and strengthens extremely damaged and fragile hair with essential keratin. Strengthens your hair. The deep conditioning haircare product instantly detangles your hair. The premium hair conditioner works to restructure and prevent the weakening of the hair fiber. The enriched hair treatment contains almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E, to deeply nourish and soften damaged hair. Premium ingredients. The stylist-approved hair product formula is enriched with keratin, the secret for stronger hair. The hair protein penetrates deep into the hair fiber to repair your hair from the inside. The hair conditioning treatment also fixes the outer cuticle to protect your hair from the outside. Complete the collection: Reconstruction and Strength Shampoo, Reconstruction and Strength Conditioner, Reconstruction and Strength Mask. Hair type: coarse. Keratin shampoo, conditioner and mask. The professional's choice for beautiful hair at home is the combined use of Il Salone Milano products to maximize results. For damaged and weakened hair, use Il Salone Milano Reconstruction and Strength Shampoo, Conditioner and Mask. The beneficial line of hair repair products works deep down to restore and strengthen even extremely damaged hair. Il Salone Milano premium haircare products are made in Italy and trusted by hair professionals for over 30 years. Now you can have professional salon results at home. Top reviews from the United States. Happy. Wow, what an incredible product. It has helped me a lot to improve my hair. Totally delighted with the